I'm going to show you how you can host your website in your virtual machine. So first go to your VirtualBox and open settings. Go to networks tab. There you will see attached to option. Please change this to NAT. Then start your virtual machine. Log in with your credentials. Then run this command sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade and sudo apt install. Oh, open SSH server to connect with Filezilla and Apache to host our website. Okay, after that, shut down. Then again go to settings, debug, change this NAT to bridge adapter. Then again start your machine. Again log in with your credentials. And this time remember your IP address. Here's your IP address 192.168.0.180. It will be different for you. So then run sudo systemctl start SSH Apache 2. After that, run sudo chmod /fire /www /html. Please add 777 after chmod. This will give the right condition to our folder. Okay, after that, go to Filezilla, open Filezilla, click on File, Site Manager, click on New, then select Protocol as FTP, hostname 192.168. What was my hostname? I think it's 0.180, and port would be same for all 22, and your username and password. Go to /var /www /html. There will be some files, maybe just index.html in your case. Select that and hit delete everything, and you should copy your files. You should first organize your website, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and images or other assets to one single folder, and then copy all of them to our VM. Everything is copied. Now if I open a browser and hit the IP address, I'll see my website like this. Thank you.